Welcome to Chinnari Pathasala.
We will learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase letters. Let's write the uppercase A. Start at the top, slant down to the left, slant down to the right, and across. Let's write the lowercase a. Pull back around up. Then draw a line down. Let's write the uppercase B. Pull down. Back on the top, around in. Back in the middle, and around in again. Let's write the lowercase b. Pull down. Go back to the middle and draw a curved line to the bottom. Let's write the uppercase C. From the top, pull back and around up. Let's write the lowercase c. Pull back in and around up. Let's write the uppercase D. Pull down. Back on top and around in. Let's write the lowercase d. Pull back around up. Back on top and pull down. Let's write the uppercase E. Start from the top, pull down. Across on the top. Across in the middle. And across again below. Let's write the lowercase e. Across. Pull back and around. Let's write the uppercase F. Pull down. Across on the top. And across in the middle. Let's write the lowercase f. Do a curved line from the top, pull back down. And put a straight line across. Let's write the uppercase G. Pull back around, pull up. And across in. Let's write the lowercase g. Pull back around up. And pull down left. Let's write the uppercase H. Pull down. Pull down again. And across in the middle. Let's write the lowercase h. From the top, pull down. Around up and down. Let's write the uppercase I. Pull down. Across on the top. Across on the below. Let's write the lowercase I. Pull down. And a dot. Let's write the uppercase J. Pull down around up. Across on the top. Let's write the lowercase j. Pull down, curve around up. And a dot. Let's write the uppercase K. From the top, pull down. Slant down. And draw another diagonal line out. Let's write the lowercase k. Pull down. Slant down. And draw another diagonal line out. Let's write the uppercase L. Pull down. And across at the bottom. Let's write the lowercase l. From the top, pull down again. Let's write the uppercase M. Start from the top, pull down. Slant down. Slant up. And pull down again. Let's write the lowercase m. Pull down. Around up, over, down. Go back in the middle, around up, over and down. Let's write the uppercase N. From the top, pull down. slant down, and pull down again. Let's write the lowercase n. Pull down. Back to the middle, up, around and pull down. Let's write the uppercase O. Start from the middle, pull back, curve around, up and close. Let's write the lowercase o. Start from the middle, pull back, curve around, up and close. Let's write the uppercase P. Pull down. Back on the top, around and in. Let's write the lowercase p. Pull down. Go back to the middle, around and in. Let's write the uppercase Q. Pull back, around, curve and pull up. Around close, and slant cross. Let's write the lowercase q. Pull back around up. And pull down. Let's write the uppercase R. From the top, pull down. Back on top, around in. And slant out. Let's write the lowercase r. Pull down. Back on top, around over. Let's write the uppercase S. Pull back, around, down, and around up. Let's write the lowercase s. Pull back, around, down, and around up. Let's write the uppercase T. Across at the top. Pull down. Let's write the lowercase t. Pull down and across. Let's write the uppercase U. Pull down, around and pull up. Let's write the lowercase u. Pull down, around, up and pull down. Let's write the uppercase V. From the top, slant down and slant up. Let's write the lowercase v. Slant down in, and slant up out. Let's write the uppercase W. Slant down. Slant up. Slant down again. And slant up. Let's write the lowercase w. Slant down in. Slant up. Slant down. And slant up out. Let's write the uppercase X. Start at the top, do a diagonal line down. Go back to the top, do another diagonal line the other way. Let's write the lowercase x. Slant down. And another slant down the other way. Let's write the uppercase Y. Slant down. Slant down in. And pull. Let's write the lowercase y. Slant down in. Slant down and extend. Let's write the uppercase C. Across on top. Slant down in. And across at the bottom. Let's write the lowercase c. Start on top, across. Slant down in. And across again. Great job! You learned how to write all the uppercase and lowercase letters.
Share, like, and subscribe.